Number 6 is listen in class and take good notes. Again, sometimes it is the simplest little things. Get a good night's sleep so you're alert in class. Have good nutrition, have a good breakfast. These things will help you make the best use of class time. How do I pay attention so that I'm not going to be distracted and not break that line of communication? And the answer is take good notes. When the teacher is giving notes and you're in class, you take notes, but here's how you do the notes. What I do is I draw a line about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 5 centimeters on the left side of the page. I draw it right down the page. Now I take all my notes in the large right space that's there. Now I take the notes that are there and turn them into questions on the space at the left that you see. And everything that is a statement of fact will be turned into questions. If my statement was George Washington is the first president of the United States, my question would be, who was the first president of the United States? But in your questions, you're thinking, well, that sounds like a lot of work. You don't worry about spelling, you use shorthands, you use single words, you turn whatever is there into questions. Now, you take another sheet and you cover your text and you see if you can answer the questions on the left-hand side. I cover it, and you have to cover it. Somebody might say, well, no, I'm not going to cheat and look at the answer in my notes. Yeah, you will. You have peripheral vision. You're going to look at the side and see it. But by covering that up with another piece of cardboard or paper, you're forcing your brain to pay attention. You're thinking, do I know the answer? If you don't know the answer, you lift up the cardboard and you say, ah, there it is. You repeat it aloud. Cover it up again, and you start down and review every one of the questions all the way down. Now, this way of going over your notes and taking notes and reviewing them this way is so powerful. It will cause your brain to pay attention. In fact, I have heard that by asking questions, the brain releases a chemical to make you more alert. And it seems that that would be true too, because if I ask you a question and I say, I've got a question I'd like to ask you, right away, you're going to be more alert. Well, you're taking advantage of that. You're taking these notes, turning them into questions at the side, then covering up the notes and reviewing those questions. It is a powerful, powerful way to keep your mind always there whenever you're going over your notes.